Hey Larry, my name is Lee Turbienik, and I spoke with Josh earlier about shooting this video for you. But in this video, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, "Why would I be doing this, and what's in it for me?" Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, "I like you, Lee. Please do this for me." So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you three things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. First thing I want to go over is content. So you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. And as we scroll down on your homepage here, you guys probably have, I'd say, 150 to 200 words on your homepage. So that's already affecting you as far as fitting in the keywords, which we'll get into later. But I wanted to look at your competition. So as we scroll down here, I just did a normal search for plumber, High Point NC, and Roto-Rooter is in first place up above you guys. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had on their homepage. And as you can see, they do have some content, maybe 150 to 200 words as well. So if you were to go out and get 150 or 1,500 words of unique, keyword-rich, optimized content, you'd be beating them in that aspect. And once again, this all has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere. Google will flag your site for plagiarism. So all the content has to be original. So the second thing that I'm going to do is break down Google for you. Now, Google has three sections. So this top section is your ads. Now, these businesses are paying to be up here, and it can get very, very costly if you don't run them right or don't have the correct criteria in them. 9 times out of 10, most people who are looking for a plumber or any type of service don't go up here. They'll go right into this map pack or checking to deal with your website directly. But I know I always go here, and I never clicked up here before. So that's ads. Now the second section I wanted to talk to you about is called the GMB, or Google My Business section. So what gets you ranking in this section is called a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even has one for citations. But the more citations you have, the better for your ranking. So, also with some good reviews and pictures. So if this guy has 10 pictures, you want to have 15 pictures, and maybe add 1 or 2 a week just to stay up to date with it. But I used a tool, it's called WhiteSpark CA, and I wanted to see how many citations you had compared to Jimmy's. Now these aren't created equally. Citations are different, and I'll show you exactly how. So it's saying that Jimmy's Plumber and Repair has 52 citations. It's saying you guys have 57. So like I said though, they're not created equally. And this is just a rough estimate too. So as we scroll down, you can see that Jimmy probably has more stronger ones than you do, because it says you have more, but some of them might be spammy, and I can dig in deep. And even though it says he has 52, all these red ones are submittable for your business, so I know we can get all these, but there's clearly not 52 here. There's probably 52 in total, but a lot of them are spammy. So let's click there, and as you can see, all these ones, they're not really doing anything for his business. These are all unknown. They were unable to determine if they were real listings. So it's these red ones are the ones that really matter and that we would want to go out and get for your business, and then add 100 to 200 more to swamp out the competition, get you up into that first place, and then never let him come back. And plus, that's getting your name, address, and phone number in more directories for people to find you when they're looking for your service. So even though it says he has 52, he maybe has 20. And even though yours says you have 57, you maybe have, 18 or 16, but we can find out. Let's see how many you guys have. 57. Let's do all citation sources. So as you can see, you don't really have much either. You have a total of that, but some of them are spammy. All these aren't really counting for your business. They're all atc.gr. They're not real citations. I don't know if you had somebody do this for you before, but look at question mark, question mark, question mark. They're all fake citations. So I'd want to go out and get you some real citations. And like I said, we could use all the ones from his business, go apply for them for yours, and then I have access to hundreds of them for your business that are real citations. So that was citations, and that's what will get you ranked in this GMB section, which is very important because this is where at least 60% of clicks come from, is from this GMB section. People need a plumber, they're clicking call now or clicking to your website right directly from here. So that was that. And the third thing I want to talk about is this organic section. Now this has to deal directly with your website. And as you can see, Roto-Rooter is in first place. Now I have another tool. It's called Ahrefs, and I can put your allstarplumbing.co website in there, and this will show me a direct overview of all your stats to your website. So this UR and DR is the overall, this UR is your overall page strength, and this DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile. As you can see in the listings here, boom and boom. This backlink is what ranks you in this GMB section. Now a backlink is any other website that refers back to your website via hyperlink. So Google sees them as votes basically, and if another website has a hyperlink, I'm sure you've seen it somewhere where there's like blue hyperlink text and you click on it, it takes you to another website. Well, that's that website giving that other website that you clicked on a backlink. It's vouching, saying, yes, I'll send my traffic to this website, it's legit. And Google eats that up, it loves it, and that's what will rank you in this section. So as you can see, All Star Plumbing, you guys have a good UR, but your backlink profile is very weak, which is hurting your rankings for different keywords. So you have 163 backlinks coming from 61 referring domains. That's 61 websites giving you 163 backlinks. You guys are ranking for 133 keywords, and you're getting about 170 traffic, bringing in almost $1,000. So your competition was the Roto-Rooter, but it's his High Point NC location page that's ranking. Roto-Rooter is a franchise company, so they're a very powerful website, but they have all these little location pages in different areas that rank separately. So as you can see, his overall page is 73, but his backlink profile is, or 17, and his backlink is 73. He's got 12 referring domains, giving him 322 backlinks. Now that's not unbeatable. We could easily go up above him, and just like citations, these aren't created equal. So the best part about this is we can go into his referring domains and get all his strong ones and apply for them for your business. But what I would do, if it was me, I would take out this High Point NC, because we know he's a plumber. So like I said, with these backlinks, you want relevant people giving you backlinks. You don't want Pizza Hut giving you a backlink because it's irrelevant from your niche and your business. It has nothing to do with you, and it won't transfer power. So what I do is get rid of this High Point NC, and let's see what the actual Roto-Rooter domain name has. And that's where we can go and get your strong backlinks. Now watch these numbers, client. Look, 79 and 73. That's his main page number. But that little NC high, or whatever it was, what High Point NC page, that's the page that matters, that we got to beat out so you can get all that business. But he has 2,000 referring domains, giving him 145,000 backlink. Look at the value, 750,000 almost he's making. That's a month. That's monthly. But we'll go into his referring domains, go get the strong backlinks, start adding them to your site strategically. You got to do it so it looks organic, or else they'll sandbox your site. But we can get all these strong ones, 55, 91s, 49s, and go and submit for your business to have them. And then you're going to start climbing. You're going to see a big change in traffic to your website. Another thing I wanted to touch base was the keywords. You're ranking for 133 keywords. So this is throughout your whole website, but let's see what's out there. Plumbers, High Point, 200 searches a month. Now this is the keyword that's being typed into Google. This is how many times monthly it's being typed into it, and this is how hard it is to rank for it. The KD is keyword difficulty, and this is volume. So keyword difficulty, 100 is the hardest and 0 is the easiest. So like this, Plumber High Point, 200 people are writing Plumber High Point NC each and every month, and it's only a 2. So that means there's not a lot of websites that has this keyword in it. Now this being like a 20, that tells me there is some people battling for this keyword, but that's All Star Plumbing. That could be global. We want to focus on these ones that are in your area. Plumbers, High Point, NC. Plumber with no S, High Point, NC. Plumber, High Point, 200. There's 600 searches right there, all with a 2KD that you're not in first place for. You're in 5th, 6th, 6th. That's 600 jobs that you could have each and every month. Say you closed half of them. That's 300 jobs that you guys are getting just by being ranking in that first. You do the math on what that would bring in revenue-wise. But there's a lot of keywords. Plumbers in High Point, NC, 150 and 2. All-Star Plumbing Services, again, that's a global keyword. High Point Plumbing Services, 30 and 1. Man, you have a gold mine of keywords throughout here that if you were ranking, you'd have so much business. It'd be insane. But that's why you need that 1,500 words, because you could put one of these per every 100 words on your homepage. So anyways, let's do a quick overview on what we talked about. First thing was content. Need at least 1,500 words on your homepage so you could fit those keywords throughout. Second thing we talked about was citations, which is what ranks you in this section. You guys want to have at least 200 to 300 to beat out the competition by a landslide and to get your business name, address, and phone number in more directories for people to find you. And the third thing we talked about was link juice. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing back from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.